Presenting the 2000 Dodge Durango SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are lock-up torque converter, 3.55 axle ratio, 115.9 inches wheelbase, rear stabilizer bar, variable assist PWR rack and pinion steering, scissor-type jack, body color grille, halogen headlamps, light-tinted front door glass and deep-tint sunscreen glass on all windows behind the pillar. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.